everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel actually, because I've not really made long form videos in a very long time, and so many of you all on my shorts comment and tell me that I should make more styling videos or haul videos and everything, and haul particularly is a very highly requested topic. So here I am making a haul video for you guys, and we have a lot of stuff right here, so let's get straight into it. A little about the haul in this video. So all the clothing items from this particular haul is from my Nomad. It's a women's wear clothing brand, and to describe the kind of clothes, it's basically their style is casual, chic and very comfy, in the sense that the outfits are pretty trending, very apt for the Gen Z likings. And yeah, in case you all would like to check out the brand and would want to buy something from there, I have linked all their websites and brand IG and everything in the description box below. So to be very honest, I've already opened these packages. There's a lot of saman. There's this one whole bulky, this and this. So you have a lot to see right here. So first let's get started with dresses, because dresses are my favorite, absolute favorite. If there's one thing that I could wear always, it would be dresses. So let's start. Okay, so there are 4 dresses in total. 2 of them are a completely day look and 2 of them completely night look. But we'll start with the night ones first. So from this big package, I have this black dress. You can already see the volume this dress has. One thing that I really like about this dress is these bow-like things. So with this, you can directly either tie it like this, or you can tie a bow in front as you wish. And oh my god, look at the flare of this dress. If I'm going to be wearing this, I'm sure I'm just going to be twirling all night and making those boomerangs, because look at this. So for me, to be honest, I've seen a lot of my audiences also from like college, and they keep asking me if they could wear something to the freshers party, and I would definitely recommend this. It would also look good for a really good dinner date. And yeah, I think a little black dress is never out of style, and if you're ever in doubt, this is something that you should be going for. The second option for the night look is this green dress. So for this one, it's for the people who really like wearing halter necklines, because this is a halter neckline dress and it has these tie-up straps. So you can tie it basically at your neck. It's a mini dress, so you can probably wear it to a club as well and look really good. I think it might also look good with a belt. Let's try it. Belts, let's see which one looks better. If I'm running out of options, I can probably try and pair this up with like 4 other leggings, and I think it'll still look very good. So that was it for the dresses of the night look, and we have the day ones now. Speaking of a daytime dress, I think florals are the best option to go for. If you don't have like a floral, ditzy floral or a huge print floral dress, I think that's something that you're missing out in your wardrobe, and that should be there if you're a floral fan, obviously. And having said that, and knowing how much I like those flare dresses and flowy dresses, जैसे वो black वाला था, वैसे ही I've chosen this particular pink one. So for someone who really likes wearing backless or a little plunging neckline, it's an amazing option for them. I'm not even kidding, this is something that you really would like. But for someone who does not really wear plunging necklines, this was a great option to wear with tube tops. Now I'll show you how it really looks. And you know what, if not a tube, if you don't like that look, you can even wear like a lace or bralette or something like that and wear it as it is. I know that a lot of you all really like this pink flared top right here, and the sleeves of it are very similar to the sleeves of this one. Quality and the kapda is also the same basically, so it is actually a win. Even the flower design and everything, so I think this is a great alternative as well. Obviously, yeah, this is a dress, but it has the same features. These are statement sleeves, and you will stand out, you will look beautiful in them, so go and look pretty. I think this will be a great option for a picnic or like a girls hangout or even a brunch, something that would give a very beachy bohemian vibe and everything. I think this would look really good with that. Next up, we have this ditzy floral dress. It's a very cute mini dress, and it has ruffles in the end, which makes it even cuter, like a doll almost. There are spaghetti straps. In case you're not a spaghetti strap person, you can always layer it with a t-shirt inside, but I think even as it is, they look really good. So this was the front of it, I'm sorry. Anyway, so there are ruffles even on the top of it. It's almost like a sweetheart neckline, and there's like a cutout over here. Cutout fashion is back, and I'm all in for it. There's also this drawstring kind of thing where you can like pull it and then make it a little fitted to your size. And yeah, there's elasticity behind, so this will fit you really well. I feel like mini dresses, such cute floral ones especially, are made for your girls' date out. So definitely wearing it to a cute cafe or something. Anyway, we're going to this big bag and we have a couple of things here. We have 3 things, 2 of which are Co-ord sets and one of them is a pants, like a track pants set. The first one that I'm going to show you all is the track pants. So I chose this in the color red because I feel this is such a striking out color and I really wanted something red in my wardrobe. I don't have a lot of red colors and I feel like this could be the one. So it has these really huge pockets. I love pockets. It has 4 pockets, so it makes like a cargo track pant. I also really like the fabric. It's nice and thick. Yeah, it has a good elasticity as well. So yes, red might not be the most versatile color, to be honest. Like there are grey and black options in this as well, but I already had like a black track pant and I felt like getting this one in wide legs would be such a statement. So I bought this one and I can like pair this with neutral colors and still make it really look good. Even I can buy like a red top and still make like a Co-ord situation out of this. So if you're someone who knows me, you will know that I am not a very athleisure girl. I am someone who likes to wear girly things and this is not completely my style, but you know, I'm so happy that I tried it because this is something that I really like and it's so comfy to wear. Wide flared look, no, you know, it doesn't really make me feel very awkward about wearing track pants outside because I'm like not a track pant girl, but this I think makes me feel okay. I styled it with this black cutout top because I really like how, you know, it makes up for the length of the pants. Yeah, I think this looks like a very badass look. Next up, Co-ord sets. I can never stop talking about Co-ord sets. Obviously, yeah, they are trending a lot, but also because you get 2 pieces and you can style them in a number of ways, not just together, but like as separates as well. It's gonna be like an investment for your wardrobe and you should be having a Co-ord set. So let's not waste time and see the 2 Co-ord sets that I got. First one is a very airport look thing. It's super trending because everyone wants to look stylish and everyone wants to look comfortable at the very same time, and I feel Co-ords, track Co-ords are the best option for this. And I got this in the cutest color. It's so stretchable, so comfy with the feel, and just the best thing that you would want to relax in and travel the whole time. I love the color. Yeah. I'm sorry. You know, it's that top that used to trend a few months back with the seam stitched outside. So yep, check on this. Very nice pastel color. Go. Next up, extremely different from all the things that I bought. This Co-ord set, extremely printed and in the color mustard, brown ochre, something like that. So this is how the crop top looks. It's a spaghetti strap, again a little sweetheart neckline right here, elastics behind, and yeah, these are how the pants look. Basically this is the lower portion of it. For such pants, you know, for such materials, elastic doesn't really look good, so it was very necessary for you to get like a button and zip thing, and I feel I really appreciate it for this. It's a very Goa look, to be very honest, because you can just pair this along with the top and you're good to go. That's the best thing about Co-ords, you know, you don't really need to put in efforts because these are the only things that you need to wear and you'll look the best in the room. But anyway, for me, like I told you all, I'm going to be styling it in a very modest way as well. So this is how I style it. I wore a white top inside it and I tucked it inside so that it is the same length as the crop top. And because the pants were high-waisted, it already covered a lot and gave me that midriff look that I wanted to flaunt. And yeah, to make it a little classy, I wore it with a belt. This belt with like gold accents of it makes it so much more chic than it really is. It's basically a combination of boho plus chic, and combined together it gives me this look. You all tell me if you all liked how I styled it in the comments below. Yep, is that it for the haul or do I have more? I do have. I am in love with this top. This is such a versatile top. This, out of everything, I think should be definitely there in your wardrobe. You can layer a top over it, like you can layer a shirt or a jacket and then you're good to go. If not, otherwise also you can just pair it as it is and you can wear it with shorts, skirts, jeans and whatnot. Obviously because it was fitted, I wore like baggy things below it. It's your choice to wear it however you like it. And with a lot of Indian skin tones as well, I feel like lavender is such a beautiful color that one should really adore it and keep looking at it. And there's one question that will arise for some people, is that what kind of innerwear do you need to wear with it? Either you can go for like transparent bra straps, or you can wear like an off-shoulder multi-strapless bra. I hope you liked the video and the clothes that I tried and the way I styled it. Basically, these were my choices. I would love to know what's your pick and how would you style it. If there are any style ideas, then you can comment down below and tell me what was your favorite pick in the comments below. I think mine was the black dress and this particular tube top? Tank top. And we call off the video. That was it for today. Videos are uploaded every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday and sometimes even Sunday. So stay tuned for a lot of fashion, and if you all like a lot of styling content as well, you know where to come. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to not miss any videos. See you next time. Bye.